Before a single unit goes into bulk, every detail of your spec needs to be locked. That's exactly where we begin. Every element checked against the approved standard, measurements, workmanship, and materials. Deviations flagged now, before mass production locks them in across every unit. Silq pre-production sample inspections. Production only moves forward when the product is ready.
Stay in control with real-time visibility into production timelines and inspection progress, ensuring you always know the exact stage of your order. Get a clear view of inspection outcomes with pass or fail status, backed by detailed defect classification. Manage multiple products and suppliers in one place, and make faster, data-driven shipment decisions with complete clarity. Bring all comments, updates, and inspection-related queries into one place. Collaborate seamlessly with your team, reduce back and forth, and keep every decision aligned and documented. Track tasks across every product with full visibility into progress and ownership. Ensure all quality checks and follow-ups are completed on time, so nothing falls through the cracks. Keep every report, image, and document organized in one place. Access what you need, when you need it, and maintain a complete record for faster reviews and better decision-making. Take control of your product quality today. Schedule your inspections with Silq and ensure every shipment meets your standards before it leaves the factory.